What is the function of cartilage? Hyaline articular cartilage is a highly specialized tissue. It is avascular, meaning it doesn't have any blood vessels to supply it with nutrients. It depends on diffusion from cyclical loading during joint movement for nutrition. As well as its shock absorbing potential, it enables synovial joints to articulate with extremely low frictional forces. This is particularly important in situations where shear forces are present. When you click on the button below, you'll get access to a page where you can sign up to receive a free portfolio of information that will give you the inside scoop on how stem cells can help you if you have osteoarthritis, the science, the biology, and most importantly, the results. See you on the other side.